It's a 2017 Cadillac CT6 sedan. Whether you're driving or being driven, you'll relish the experience of this prestige car in a class all its own. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, Wi-Fi hotspot, hands-free liftgate, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, streaming video feed rear-view mirror, and automatic transmission. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Call us today at 813-565-0061.